Well, welcome to week 4. You've made it this far, and if you go one more week, you'll be halfway through the class. Just want you to take a deep breath. You've gone a lot farther than you think you have. Um, from now on, there's not as much reading, and you remember that the key part of the class are those 2 papers. And so, as we move ahead the next few weeks, our design is to give you what you need to finish off those papers. Paideia paper, 2 parts really. It's got to compare and contrast. And when you look at Adler and you look at Lockerbie, work your way through there, figure out what the similarities and differences are, and then you close off the paper by telling me what you learned and where your position is on Paideia. And as far as the philosophy paper goes, probably a number of you have already done a philosophy statement to get a job. The difference between a philosophy paper and a philosophy statement is the paper is all full of footnotes or endnotes to show me where your sources are. Now, if you have not yet considered the implications of page 34 in night for writing your paper, you ought to take a look at that. Page 34 could save you a ton of time. This week I asked you if you would to position yourself to go through that multiple choice test and then write down, and you wind up having to figure out which your philosophy is. I'm wondering if the same thing will happen to you as has happened to the other classes I've taught in this, but I'm not going to tell you what I'm wondering until after you've all finished that off. So take a deep breath. You've done most of the reading. It's just a matter now of digesting it and putting it together. I'm glad you're here.